Anyways, I wanted to show you guys something that I found out, well, figured out, didn't really find out. I kind of figured it out by jacking around in the ZR1 today. So if you have a USB device and you upload certain video formats to it and load up to navigation in the truck, you can actually play the video through it. And I'll show you right here. So the trick is, you got your USB connector right there. And once you get that in, hook it up, just go to your media. You can hit browse. You hit your media and that video starts playing. You can actually go to browse, and I've done different formats to see exactly which one would take. So the 3GP is it's not very clear. The clarity on it's not all that great, but you go back, we'll see what did work. Here's the AVI. So AVI came out pretty nice. It's pretty clean pick, and that's on the GoPro 8. It will also work on the WMV, and that's about as good as the AVI as well. Now what I did notice is that if you go to the MP4, it will not play. It plays as an MP3, so you get no screen. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is with that. You would think MP4 would work. So AVI works, WMV works. What else do we have? MPG, that works as well. All right, guys, so there you go. There's a little tip trick for you if you have a Chevrolet or a GMC. This one is a Colorado Z71. You have the navigation. You're able to take a USB drive, download those files in that format that I was talking about, and you'll be able to play them in the media player of your infotainment center. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope y'all are staying corona free, and I will see you guys on the other side. Check out the rest of this video. Oh, come on. I know that wave's coming right now, too. Man, what the hell's on the side?
Someone bit him. A car bit him.
Something tore him up. God dang. We got tore up by something. Oh man, I almost had doubles. Yeah, he's fat. Get him, Dom. Let's go, baby. Woo! Finally get some fish on.
Catfish.
Catfish. He's about to get caught up in the line. There we go. Man, that's a nice looking cat.
Hold on. These are still good.
I think I'm still good. Man, is that the same one? Damn.